Welcome back with the Army Public Recruitment 2020. The new vacancy came and we will discuss about in detail. And we will talk in the particular video. First of all, open the Google, then you will write it here Army Public School. You will write it here Army Public School. Then this interface will come in your. So just scroll down. You will click on the particular second link. After you just clicking, this interface will open in your phone. So just scroll down and click on the online screening test for recruitment of teacher in Army Public School. After clicking, this interface will open on your phone. Just scroll down. You can easily see it here, Army Public School online registration. How you will do the registration? So just follow the some step. Scroll down, then click on the new user. After clicking, this interface will come on your phone. Just scroll down. Some kind of instruction it is already given here. Just scroll down and read all the instruction. For example, it is divided in 3 stages. First one is screening exam. Screening exam in the sense they will conduct this exam 21st and the 22nd November 2020. This is a written test. So those who will get the 50% marks in the particular exam, they are only eligible to next stage. Okay, so next stage is like a interview. They will conduct an interview, and after the final stage, they will evaluation of teaching skills and the computer proficiency. It's depend subject to subject. Now move on the next part. Next part is some kind of notes it is given there. You just go through it. I'm just focusing on the main points, whatever they are asking about it. First, these vacancies related to PGT, TGT and the PRT. And the most important thing, they will conduct the written test, or the timing was, or the date was 21 and the 22 November 2020. So just scroll down and move on the qualification. What kind of qualification is required the particular vacancy? So first one is PGT. PGT, post graduation in the subject concerned. It means whatever subject you have taken on the PGT, 50% marks is required, minimum 50% marks. And the another qualification is required B.Ed. Minimum is B.Ed is required with 50% marks. Same criteria with the TGT. We can talk about graduation with the particular subject, concerned subject in the sense whatever form you are just filling to the particular subject, the subject has taken in the graduation also with 50% marks, and the B.Ed is also required with 50% marks. Now move on the PRT. PRT is a graduation is required with 50% marks, and B.Ed is also required with 50% marks. And another part is 2-year diploma, elementary, in the sense those who have done the 2-year diploma like a BTC, they are also eligible the particular PRT post. Now move on the postgraduate with less than 50% marks. What is the mean of it? I'm just highlighting this point. A postgraduate with a less than 50% marks in graduation but more than 50% marks in post graduation. In the sense those students did not get the 50% marks in graduation, but they have done the post graduation with 50% marks, they are also eligible to TGT vacancy. Okay, so no need to worry, just go ahead. Now move on the next part. Another point you will remember it, this vacancy, if you are just going to fill the form as a fresher, minimum or the maximum is minimum after 21 and the maximum is below 40 years. Okay, so if we will talk about the experienced candidate, they can fill the form below 15 years. So just move on the another main important point in the particular vacancy, CTET and the TET is not required. So those who have not done the CTET or the TET, they are also eligible to fill the form of Army Public School vacancy. Just move on the scroll down. Yes, date we have already discussed. Exam will conduct on the 21st and the 22nd November, and result date they have also declared. Which date they will declare the result. Move on the, now we can talk about the syllabus. What kind of syllabus they will ask to us? PGT and the TGT, they will ask a first paper as a GK or the general awareness, mental ability, English, common paper they will ask to you us only, and the concepts, research methodology, and the inclusive education, IT, etc. And they will ask a 90 question, and the another thing, part B. In the part B, they will ask the 90 question from the particular subject, and the duration of the exam is 180 minutes. And the detail it is already given here, you can just check out. And the PRT, same thing, they will ask the like that only 90 question they will ask as a general awareness. Now PGT and the TGT candidates, this is the most important point. I'm just going to highlight this point. Yes, PGT and the TGT candidates who fail in the part B but pass in part A may opt to take a scorecard for PRT subject to meeting other qualification. What is the mean of it? It means they are just talking about it. If you just done the first stage, you just qualified the first stage, PGT and the TGT. If you did not qualify the part 2 exam, then you are also eligible to take a part in the PRT. So this is also be a good point. Now move on the next point. Yes, the fees. Now what kind of fees we have to pay? 500. Whenever we are just going to fill the form of Army Public School, you have to pay the 500 rupees fee. And the first started, it will start the 1st October to 20th October. It is clearly written here. So just fill the form according to that only. You can pay the fee net banking through the debit card, credit card, it's up to you. Okay. Qualification and the syllabus we have already discussed. Now move on the exam centers. It is list already given. Where you just belong, you just go through it. I just give this particular PDF in the given link. Now move on the admit card. Admit card they will declare soon. Just move on the yes. It is clearly written here. Now I'm just going to registration date is 1st October to 20th October, and availability of admit card, they will declare the admit card in 4th November. Okay. Then after that exam they will conduct is 21st to 22nd November 2020, and they will declare the result on 2nd December. This is the tentative date. That is not sure that they will declare on the 22 December. Now another point it is given here. For example, if you want to a sample question paper, you have to pay the 50 rupees per paper or the per part, we can talk about it. It is clearly mentioned. If you just want to a part A paper, then you have to fill the 50 rupees. Okay, just move on. It's a more detail. You can just go through with the particular PDF. These are the centers. Just go through it. And the detailed explanation it is already given. Master degree with the B.Ed. Okay, I'm just scroll down. Then after that you just click the particular button and the proceed. Then this interface will come. Okay, if you just want to fill the form as an TGT PGT, you can click the particular link and fill all the detail. Just click this one and then proceed. This interface will come. Then you just click on the PGT or the TGT, and you will click on the Mr., Mrs., Miss, whatever. It's depend on you. Candidate's full name, daughter name, and the gender, and apart from this, date of birth. Fill all the details. Then you just go to the proceed button, and after that you will upload your documents, then payment. Thank you so much. If you have any query, if you want how to fill the complete form, or what kind of, if you need some kind of sample paper, just write a comment box. I'll upload the sample paper also. Thank you so much.